Hey guys, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the best ideas for you from the cryptocurrencies and also from the forex and stocks and commodities. Today we are gonna look the technical analysis of NPXS. First, let me to take you to my previous chart. And this was a chart I posted on 20th of August. I've also posted a video on this chart on my channel here on YouTube. And now I'm playing this chart. And we can see the price action has just given a spike beyond this potential reversal zone. But so far, not even a single candlestick has been closed below this area or potential reversal zone. And the price action is so far moving at the bottom of this potential reversal zone. So this chart is still in process. Now let me to take you to my current chart. First, let me to take you to the live price action move of this NPXS. We'll just start like a funnel. I'll just take you from the lower or from the smaller time period chart to the bigger time period chart. First, we are gonna look the 1 hour chart, NPXS, US dollar. This is a live chart. All right, this is a day chart. I'm just switching it to the 1 hour first because we are moving from the smaller time period chart towards a bigger time period chart. And this is a 1 hour chart, and we can see since 10th of November from here, the price action was moving within a down channel, and this was the upper resistance of the channel, and this was the support. All right, we have around 1 and 2 touches, even almost 3 touches at the support of the channel, and 1 and 2 and 3, and this is the 4 touches on the resistance. So here we can see the price action has just broken out the resistance of the channel, and after breaking out the channel, the price action had a little bit a correction time period. And during this correction, the price action retested the resistance of the channel as a support, but couldn't break down this support. And after that, the price action is bounced back. So it is moving up. It is a first indication that we have a successful breakout. Now let's move to some bigger chart, and that is the 12-hour chart. I'm just removing these tools. And if we place the Ichimoku cloud on this 12-hour chart, then we can see the cloud is turned bullish. First, it was turned bearish in the month of September 2019. Here we can see the cloud was turned strong bearish. And now the cloud is turned bullish. That is another indication that we can have a very strong bull rally in the future very soon. So now let's move to the day chart. I'm just removing this cloud, and this is the day chart. All right, if we place the Bollinger Bands on this day chart, and this is the Bollinger Bands, and we can see we are having a kind of double bottom on the lower bands of this Bollinger Bands. first touch we have here, and this is the second touch at the support of the Bollinger Bands. And after hitting at this support, we can see that the moving average convergence divergence, which is the MACD, MACD, it is turned strong bullish. It was weak bullish. Here you can see from the histogram, we can have the idea that it was weak bullish. Now after hitting at the support, we can see that the price action is getting bounced, and it is also turned, the MACD is also turned strong bullish. And if we see the stochastic on this day chart, then the stochastic is also in the oversold zone, and it is likely to give a bull cross really very soon. And the RSI was oversold up to the 12-hour chart, but on day chart it was almost in the oversold zone, because my settings of RSI is 70-30. This is the 70 level and this is the 30 level, so we can see it has visited up to 31 and now it is turned bullish. And after removing all these indicators, we can see the price action very closely like this. Now we can see that the price action has formed some harmonic pattern, and that is a bullish Cypher pattern. All right, let's have a look how this pattern is perfect. This is the initial leg, and the A to B leg should be retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci, and here we can see that it is retraced up to 0.555 Fibonacci. That is exactly between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And C to D leg, sorry, the B to C leg should be retraced between 1.272 up to 1.414 Fibonacci of A to X leg. That is a Fibonacci projection of A to X leg. And here we can see it is retraced almost up to 1.47 Fibonacci. So this difference can be ignored. So this difference can be ignored. And here the C to D leg is retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci of X to C leg. That is the Fibonacci projection or retracement of X to C leg. And here we can see it is retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. So our perfect Cypher pattern is completed here. And this is our potential reversal zone. And from this area, the price action can take a powerful bullish divergence. And we can set our sell targets from C to D Fibonacci projection area from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. But let me to tell you, if the price action will move up from here, and if a complete candlestick will be closed above this level, 0.786 Fibonacci, then the price action can take a more powerful bullish divergence from this point, and even my previous idea, which I published on the 4-day chart, can be executed. Now let me to take to my published chart, the latest chart of the NPXS, and this is my chart I have published yesterday. The NPXS US dollar. So for the safer side, as per Fibonacci retracement, I have just set these targets. You can buy here and sell between this area, or you can also wait for the price action to close above this level, and you can catch the more powerful bull rally. So this is the idea of NPXS. I have also shared on the Tradingview. I have also shared the Tradingview link in the video's description. You can just click there. And after, when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select the people option. And after selecting the people option, you just need to write Moon 333 and click on this link. This is my profile, my page on the Tradingview, and here you can find all of my charts I've published here. And I've also shared the Binance link in the video's description, because NPXS is being traded on the Binance with a very good largest trade volume. So if you don't have account on the Binance, then you should create there by clicking on the link. Thank you so much for your time and for watching the complete video. I'll be back soon. Take care. Goodbye.